Good morning to all. I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. I, Ms. Kunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, welcome you all to the e-learning classes of English text, and today we are going to do a poem that is The Roadside Locksmith. Okay, we are going to do the poem that is The Roadside Locksmith on page number 82 of your book. So you can open your books to page number 82. Okay, so this poem, The Roadside Locksmith, is written by Chitra Padmanabhan. Okay, so here in this poem, as you can see the name of this poem, The Roadside Locksmith. Okay, so here we are talking about the locksmith. You have seen the locksmith sitting on the roadside on the streets. Locksmith कौन होता है? It's the person who makes, fits or repairs locks. Right? You have seen ताला चाबी वाले रोड पे बैठे रहते हैं. Right? तो तभी जब भी आपका ताला खराब हो जाता है, you go to whom? You go to the locksmith to repair it, isn't it? So this poem is also about that locksmith only. He has spread out all his wares. The things, wares is what? The things that are for selling. Okay, so he has just spread out all the things in the market, and he is sitting on the roadside, and he has a mountain of keys with him. Okay, so now we will understand this poem by reading the poem. Okay, so the locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. Okay, so here in this 4 lines we are talking about the locksmith who is sitting on the roadside. Who is the locksmith? I have told you that the person who sits or who makes, refits or repairs the locks, right? So he is sitting on the roadside with all the things he is selling in the market, and what is there? A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. You can see over here that he is the locksmith and he is having the umbrella to just protect him from the sun's rays. Okay, so here he is under that tilted black umbrella, and what is there? A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. Okay, so here you can see that there is what? There is a mountain made of keys. Okay, mountain is there of master keys. Okay, you can see it's a pile being made of all the keys, and some of the keys are dull, some are old, some are rusty and some are gold. Okay, so some are of gold, some are rusty. Rusty means what? जिसपे जंग लग जाता है ना बेटा, वो होता है rusty. Okay, the locksmith has the answer to every locked door. So the locksmith has the answer, has the solution to every locked door. Okay, because he can make the keys, he can make the keys also because he has so many master keys with him, isn't it? We have seen the pile which is over there, isn't it? That can't be opened because the key is not there, and if you have a key that is lonely and lost. Now what is there? The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can't be opened, जो खुल नहीं सकता कभी भी. उसका आंसर सिर्फ एक जने के पास होता है, which is whom? Which is the locksmith. Okay, so because he has all the keys, he has the answer to every locked door. Okay, and if you have a key that is lonely and lost, now if we don't have the lock of that key, that is, this key is just alone, that is lonely and it's lost, it doesn't have a lock with it. Okay, then don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. Okay, so आपको परेशान होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because don't worry, don't fret, ना आपको परेशान होना है, ना आपको सैड होना है, neither you need to lose the hope. Don't despair. Okay, despair means not to lose hope. Okay, here it is written, don't despair. That means don't lose hope. Okay, he will find a friendly lock to complete the pair, because he, that is the locksmith, he will find a friendly lock with for that key, which is what? Which is lonely and lost, isn't it? Which is alone. So the locksmith will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. Okay, so this is the poem written by Chitra Padmanabhan. Okay, now we will move to the copywork of this chapter. Okay, now moving to the copywork of the poem, that is the Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmanabhan. Okay, so here an extract is given to us, that is the locksmith dash 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 to the locked door. Okay, so here has the answer, that this is for what? The locksmith has the answer to every locked door. Okay, so question number 1, that is name the poem and the poet. Okay, so name which this extract has been taken from which poem? We need to tell the name and the poet. Okay, so the name of the poem is The Roadside Locksmith, written by Chitra Padmanabhan. Okay, now moving to the second question, what does the locksmith do? As we all know, what does the locksmith do? Locksmith makes new keys for the locks. We know that locksmith is a person who makes, fits and repairs locks, isn't it? So locksmith makes new keys for locks. Okay, now moving to the third question, how does he have an answer to every locked door? Okay, now we need to tell that how does the locksmith has the answer to the every locked door. Isn't it? We have seen it when we were studying the poem, isn't it? So, the locksmith has an answer to every locked door because he designs and makes keys that can fit into locks and opens them, because he is the person who designs and makes keys that can fit the locks. Whether if the key is lost, he can repair, he can give us a master key. And if the lock is not there, if the key is alone, then he will find a friendly lock, isn't it? So he designs and makes keys that can fit into locks and opens them. Okay, so he makes the keys that can open the locks. So that is why locksmith has the answer to every locked door. Okay, so this is the copywork of this poem. You need to do this copywork in your copy, okay, which will be sent to you with this video only. Okay, so I hope you have understood this poem well. So thank you.